5 habits that we do daily that raise up our blood pressure. Well, number 1 is got to do with diet. What exactly about diet leads to us getting hypertension? For starters, chekutanga ukadya salt yakawandisa, you end up wanting hypertension. And the funny part is kuti most of us we think kuti salt yatinodya yakawandisa, it comes from salt yatiri kuwedzera muchikafu. Yes, that's true. Adding salt to your food is not healthy, but most of the salt inokonzeresa kuti uzokwanisa kuita hypertension isalt yaunowana ma-processed foods, zikafu zvakaita sezvimachips, hot dogs, processed meats, zvinhu zvine salt kudhara. Salt inenge irimo yakawandisa zvokuti that salt can cause you to get hypertension. So that's what you should do. It's not only salt yauri kuwedzera muchikafu chako, it's also salt yauri kuwana from chikafu chauri kutenga chiri processed already. Number 2, it's lack of physical activity. So lack of physical activity, what exactly do I mean? Most of the times you just wake up, you go to work or you go to school, you spend the whole day sitting. You're not moving in any way. So what happens is that your body, your heart, your blood vessels, they are not used to anything out of the ordinary. So with time, they get weak and they are not able to self-regulate to maintain a normal blood pressure. Then you end up wanting hypertension. But if you're someone who exercises, who does a lot of physical activity, your heart rate is low and your blood vessels are very strong, so that you can regulate your blood pressure and keep it ranges are normal. Then the third thing is kumwa doro. Kumwa doro zvakunoita ndezvekuti kumwa doro kunostimulate tsinga dzemagetsi dzemuviri mako. Saka tsinga idzi dzikastimulate dzinokonzeresa kuti heart rate yako iwedzere uye mapipes ako are constricted. And then when they constrict, you end up wanting hypertension, kana kuti BP. And then now, chinofambidzana nedoro chi. Usually most of the times people who drink, they also smoke. And that's point number 4. Smoking. Mufodya mune inonzi nicotine. And nicotine zvainoita inokwadza mapipes anofamba neropa. And then kana mapipes aya akakwara, you get hypertension. Number 5 has got to do with poor sleep. When you don't sleep, your cortisol levels, they rise. And when cortisol goes up, it impairs your body's ability to be able to regulate blood pressure yako. So that's how lack of sleep causes you to have hypertension. I do hope that you enjoyed this, and tell me in the comment section what habit surprised you